It's a brand new 2021 Hampton 370 FDL. It's a destination trailer, so it doesn't travel the greatest, but your cost per cubic foot in here is absolutely incredible. With the 9-foot ceilings and the residential stainless steel appliances, it gives you the residential feel at your campsite. Walking back, love the bathroom. It's 64-inch shower, faucet, mirrored cupboard, plenty of room on the stool. Go up the stairs to a double loft. To the right, you got a single. And then to the left, you have a double. At the foot of this bed, there's inlets for a TV. And then we come into the master bed. Full-size king residential mattress with plenty of room to get around it. Plenty of storage room for your clothes. Walk-in closet. You can put a washer and dryer there if you'd like. And another mounting spot for an LCD TV. The large sliding doors, also another great feature in the destination travel trailer. Island, so plenty of room to store your food while cooking. Deep single bay farmhouse sink with drying rack is also included. If you have any questions, give us a call at Hawkeye. It's 563-557-0313. Thanks for the view, guys.